Ever feel like repairing your credit score is a lonely uphill battle? Picture this. Instead of screaming into the void alone, you're surrounded by a squad of credit warriors, sharing cheat codes, swapping templates, celebrating every win. What if I told you the secret to finally fixing your credit isn't an app or loan, it's a community? This video flips the script on doing credit repair alone. Today we are diving into a completely new approach, how to build a DIY credit repair community. Strap in, your credit journey is about to go from solo struggle to squad success. This is Nick Trau, where I uncovered the money truths they don't teach you in school. Today's guide is the first complete blueprint on how to build a DIY credit repair community, because nobody has ever packed all the steps in one place. Quick note, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I learned on my own money journey. This is information, not professional advice. The community gap, why this matters. Everyone talks about budgeting, investing, and debt, but almost nobody talks about forming a community around credit repair. Why? Because credit repair is seen as solo mission. You on your couch alone trying to decode credit reports. That loneliness is exactly the problem. Meanwhile, there are giant communities for fitness, gaming, parenting, crypto, even niche hobbies. But credit repair, totally blind spot. A community changes everything. Shared wins, shared template, shared legal knowledge, shared motivation, shared accountability. Instead of one person shouting at experience, imagine 100 people learning together. Blueprint phase 1. Foundation, purpose and values. Every strong community starts with purpose. First, define your purpose. Example, we help each other legally clean credit reports. We share DIY templates and strategies that actually work. We celebrate every 10-point win. Make the why clear so new members immediately understand what the group stands for. Second, establish core values. This keeps the community safe, supportive, and focused. Transparency. Share real strategies, not scams. Support. No judgment. Every count wins. Empowerment. Teach people their rights under the law. Accountability. Goal matter. Follow-up matter. Privacy. Nobody shares sensitive personal information. These values create identity and trust, the core factors that make members stay long-term. Phase 2. Choosing your digital home. Here are top platforms with pros and cons. Discord. Real-time chat, channels and voice rooms, great for 20 to 500 people group. Some older members find it confusing. Slack, clean, professional, good notifications. Free plan has limited message history. Facebook groups, easy to join, huge reach. Algorithm limits visibility. Privacy concerns. Reddit, great anonymity, easy search, less control, culture can be cured. Dedicated forums, green, organized knowledge. More old school feel. Mighty networks, school circle, paid but polished. Courses, badges, built-in engagement too. YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, not your home base, but use them to funnel people into your group. Phase number 3, getting your first 100 members. The first 100 are hardest, so use multiple strategies. Start with people you know, like family, friends, co-workers, anyone dealing with the credit issues. Second, post in existing finance spaces like subreddit like personal finance, credit groups, debt-free communities. Never spam, just share values and a simple invite. Third, social media teasers. Short clips like starting a free credit repair sport communities wanted. Fourth, value-based freebies. Example, free DIY, dispute letter pack, free webinar, top 3 legal credit fixes. People join for value. Fifth, partnership. Collaborate with small influencers, credit educators. 6, local outreach. Flyers, libraries, community centers, next door. 7th, build a core team. Your first 10 to 20 members is equal to founding members. They shape the culture and bring in others. Consistency is everything. Promote daily, share wins, and keep momentum alive. Blueprint phase 4. Content that engages member. Once people join, you must keep them active. Here's what works. Success stories, screenshots, small wins, big wins, all inspire. Live Q&A sessions like weekly or bi-weekly, credit cleaning Fridays, DIY templates like sample dispute letters, step-by-step guides, checklists, Walkthrough videos. This content alone makes your group valuable. Challenges like 30 days credit fix challenge, dispute one item this week challenge, lower utilization by 5% challenge, educational mini lessons. Use simple language like credit utilization, FCRA rights, soft versus hard pull, etc. Engagement questions. What's your biggest credit myth you believed in? What's the one thing you want off your report? Member spotlights. People love recognitions. It also builds community identity. Phase number 5. Sustaining momentum. Here's how you can keep the community alive long term. Consistent posting. Set a weekly consistent schedule and accountability threads. Members share monthly credit goals and progress. Member-driven content. Let members teach, share templates, and host discussion. Gamification. Badges like Credit Warrior, Debt Slayer, and Scroll Builder. Moderators. Choose members who are active and trustworthy. Feedback loops. Regular survey about what content is mostly helping. Stay updated. Discuss new credit laws, trending strategies, and new FICO information. Encourage subgroups. Student loans channel, car loan channels, dispute letter channel, success blueprints, case studies. Case study number 1. Discord Debt Squad. Founders invites 10 friends and each bring 2. Weekly Credit Church Tuesday. Shared templates. One group gained 110 points in 9 months. Case study 2. Facebook group Fix Your Score. Daily prompt, monthly live workshops, community champion bridges, and grew to 200 active members. Case study 3. Reddit Credit Circle. Anonymous question and answers, weekly theme threads, attracted real experts, become known for evidence-based advice. Mistake to avoid, growth over quality. Better to have 100 engaged members than 1,000 silent ones. Second, ignoring legal boundaries. No miracle promises. Always cite the FCRA. 3. No rules. You need guidelines to prevent spam and scams. Fourth, over-moderating. Let the community breathe. Fifth, false hope. Credit repair takes time. Be realistic. Sixth, scale content. Rotate between tutorials, wins, questions, and challenges. Seventh, privacy risks. No one shares sensitive information publicly. Eighth, founder burnout. Schedule post and delegate tasks. Scaling into a movement. Once you hit 300 to 500 members, you can grow big. Public webinars, collaboration with fintech creators, weekly newsletters or podcasts, local chapters, automated bots for FAQ, and ethical monetization. Growth is great, but keep the original soul, sport, knowledge, and accountability. You now have the blueprint for something revolutionary. This isn't just a credit repair plan. It's the start of a movement where dozens, hundreds, or thousands of people lift each other up. You're transforming credit repair from a loyal battle into a shared victory. If this fired you up, choose the platform, start your group, invite your first 5 people. Drop a comment. Discord, Facebook, or Reddit. Like, share, and subscribe this video with someone struggling with credit. Your credit journey doesn't have to be an island. Build your crew, start with movement. Let's rewrite the rules of credit repair together.